Hello and welcome to Inside the Machine, Video 1. In this video we're going to ask, what is a computer? When you think of a computer, you probably picture a desktop or laptop, but computers have existed in many forms. Long ago, the word computer meant a person who worked out calculations by hand. These human computers helped with navigation, astronomy, and even code breaking in wartime. Over time, machines were built to take over this work. Early tools like the abacus were followed by mechanical calculators, then designs like Charles Babbage's analytical engine, the first idea of a general-purpose computer. Later, electronic computers like ENIAC arrived in the 1940s, and eventually, we reached the modern computers we use today. So what do we mean by a computer now? A computer is a machine that processes data. It takes in information, does something with it, and produces a result. There are three main types of computer. A calculating machine, which only does one job in one way, like a calculator. A general-purpose computer, which can run many programs. This is the type of computer you use every day. You can reprogram it by adding new software. An embedded system, which is built into another machine, like a washing machine, a car, or a games console controller. This brings us to another idea, hardware and software. Hardware is the physical stuff, the circuits, screen, keyboard. Software is the programs that tell the hardware what to do. Without software, hardware just sits there. Without hardware, software has nothing to run on. They always work together. Finally, remember, all software is data, but not all data is software. Software is special data because it gives instructions. Other types of data, like text, music, or photos, are just information. So in summary, computers process data. They can be calculating machines, general-purpose machines, or embedded systems, and they rely on both hardware and software to work. Understanding these basics is the first step in exploring how computers work.